Good day. Again, here is your Prof. Dale. I-discuss ko ngayon yung Power BI Data Warehouse setup. Ito yung setup, ito yung architecture if you want to implement data warehouse on Azure. So, let's get started. Okay. So, as you can see here, okay, here is the architecture. Okay. So, here on the ingest side, we have the Azure Synapse. So, Azure Synapse Analytics Pipeline bring together structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Ito yung mga logs, files, and media. So, ito yung dito sa may kaliwa. Okay? So, the pipeline store the data in Azure Data Lake Storage. Yan, papasok dito. Papasok na dito. Okay? Number 2, step 2. Apache Spark Pool. Ito po. Itong number 2. Yan. Ano yan? So, Azure Synapse Analytics clean and transform the data lake storage data. Okay? On this one, an Azure Synapse Analytics combines the process data with existing structured data, creating one unified data hub. Itong Synapse at saka itong Apache. Okay? Number 4, step 4. Ano nangyayari sa step 4? Sa step 4, a dedicated SQL pool may makes the data available for operational reports and analytical dashboard that derives insight. Take note, an Azure Analysis Services serves the report and dashboard to thousands of end users. Ayan. So, ito yung analysis services. And then, after nitong analysis services, i-display na niya sa Power BI. So, that's how it works. Ngayon, isa-isahin po natin yung mga technology rito. Ano ang Synapse Analytics? It is an analytic service for data warehouse and big data systems. This tool uses a massively parallel processing architecture and has deep integration with Azure services. So, importante yan. Next, yung Azure Synapse Analytic Pipeline. Ano po ba yon? Provide a way for you to create, schedule jobs, and orchestrate workflow such as extract, pwede kang mag-load, pwede kang mag-transform ng data. Okay? Or meron tayong tinatawag mag-extract muna, magta-transform, and then load. So, there. Next, ano yung Azure Blob Storage? Ano po ba yun? Okay, so, nami-mention kasi yan sa data warehouse. Ito yung mga iba't ibang technology na naka-involve, okay? Blob storage provide massively scalable, cost-effective object storage for any type of unstructured data. Ano-ano yung mga unstructured data? Images, videos, audio, documents, and more. Yung walang ka-discipline na data, unstructured. Yun. Next, what is a data lake storage? A data lake storage is a storage repository that holds a large amount of data in its native raw format. Data lake storage is built on top of blob storage. So, ang resulta nun, yung data lake storage offers scalability. Okay? Pwede siyang maging flexible. Kunwari, konti lang yung mga users, liliit yung mga data lake. And then pag marami, kaya niyang mag-auto increase. Tiered storage, high availability, hindi siya namamatay. May automated process na, let's say nag-down yung isang server, mag-on siya sa kabila. Okay? And then may automatic disaster recovery capability of a blob storage. Next, ano naman po yung Azure Synapse Analytics Spark Pool? Provides a parallel processing framework that supports in-memory processing to boost the performance of a big data analytic application. Pag sobrang laki na ng data, kailangan mo ng SQL Spark. Okay? Yun. Na-mention ko yan sa video tutorial ko sa SQL Spark. Paki-search na ng Jess Dale de la Cruz SQL Spark, may kita nyo dyan yung libro ko about that one. So it is released by the Pocket Publishing. Yan. Meron rin po sa Udemy. Yun. Analysis services, it's an enterprise grade analytic engine that provides an easy way for users to perform an ad hoc data analysis. So, ibig sabihin, ad hoc yung biglaang task. Okay? So, you can use analysis service to govern, mag-test, and deliver business solution. Power BI. So, itong Power BI, pag natuto ka nito, is pwede ka sumweldo ng 50,000 above. Okay? Pag mga lead ka na, 150 pataas. So, it's a suite of business analytics tool that delivers insight throughout your organization. Power BI, hindi mo kailangan ng nasa cloud. Kailangan mo lang Power BI desktop. Libre po 'yon. Take note. And then, pag gusto mong i-publish, saka ka lang bibili po ng Power BI developer license. Okay? Yan. Itong report na to, napakaganda nito. And then, you could publish them for an organization that can be viewed through internet using desktop, laptop, and even mobile device. So, compatible siya on all hardware. So, there. Yung mga gusto ma-aware sa mga notification ko or announcement, ayan, sa Facebook. Tapos meron rin naman po kami, let's say you want to train in a disciplined way. Ibig sabihin may sinusunod na professor, nagtitrain po ako. Okay? So there, message nyo lang po ako. And then here, ito yung mga walang mga pera. Okay? So punta ka lang dito sa mismong YouTube namin. Then, yan. Dito yung mga walang pera. Pwede kang matuto. Ito rin po yung ginagamit kong mga lectures sa school. Like LaSalle, Letran, at iba pa. So, I'm gonna end up my video. So, di mo kailangang ng malaking pera. Okay? So, sa YouTube ni Sir Dale or Prof. Dale, meron ka na, pwede na. Pero pag gusto mo rin ng guidance, nagtitrain po ako. Nagme-mentor po ako. Have a nice day and thank you very much.